Hey guys, Rowdy Dog, how you guys doing today? Hey, I want to show you guys a product. I'm out here on a beautiful fall day, maybe 65, 70 degrees, little breeze. How many of you guys have a hammock hanging up between two trees or hanging in a hammock frame? Well, I got this from a brand that wanted me to evaluate and show you guys about it. Really cool little hammock, very nice. But the one thing I want to show you is this. How many of you guys, you leave your hammock out in winter? What do you do with your hammock in winter? Well, most of the time, you just do this. You just take it loose and you roll it up. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it up. And then what do you do with it? Well, most of the time it goes in storage, or it goes in a locker or in a storage bin or something. But I have something here that a brand sent me that you can do with this. Watch this. It's a hammock storage bag. Look at this thing. It's long enough to fit your entire hammock inside of it. Look at that. Fits right in there. Very cool. I'm gonna set it down on the ground. It's got handles on it, so it's easy to carry. It's got a velcro strap to hold the handles together. Can y'all see this? Now watch this. It zips up to keep everything in this bag. Can y'all see this? Hope y'all can see this. I'm just zipping this hammock right up into this bag. It's a nice canvas, heavy duty canvas bag, and boom, zipped in. There you go. Zipped in, I can throw it over my shoulder.